Hydrogen fuel. This is the new noise from the boys that be. Hydrogen, by its nature, is a free element, is very reactive, also very explosive. So this is a dangerous material. This is one of the issues that surrounds using hydrogen as a fuel. So fancy fuel cells were invented, very expensive to be able to store the hydrogen, what some term is safely, and you can debate that. That's a whole nother month's worth of debates. Anyway, the question to all this is, where do they expect this free hydrogen to come from? Free hydrogen is not a necessarily naturally occurring or a high quantity in the atmosphere, in the air, because it likes to bond to other things rather quickly. That's its nature, its chemistry. But the hydrogen they're proposing for fuel for this new stream of cars is coming from nuclear reactors. That's the plan. Some over a decade ago, General Motors was working on a high-wire electric vehicle. Very interesting. Go look at it. I got to see it in the research labs. I got to talk to some of the people that were involved with the project. Basically, it was an electric vehicle. The unique thing was the batteries it was going to use for power. So hydrogen. Hydrogen's the big proposal now, the big whiz-bang out there, but in the background is going to require nuclear hydrogen generators or massive separations, water separators, to take the hydrogen off of the water molecule, out of the water molecule, which will leave you free oxygen and free hydrogen. But that's nature, using the water distraction method, because nature has made most of the water that we're familiar with. Underneath that is other water. There are three types of hydrogen isotopes generated. Stable hydrogen, the element. Deuterium, 2H, a nuclear byproduct. And then tritium, 3H, another nuclear byproduct. Why are these significant? If your fuel is a high percentage of 2H and 3H, unstable hydrogen atoms, they're cancer causers. They are health inhibitors. And if you go search for the sciences and the harm of these two isotopes, 2H and 3H, deuterium and tritium, you will find it hard to find. This is why releasing the tritium infused water from Fukushima is such a big debate. Science will not admit, does not know at this time the harm from isotopes of hydrogen. How important is this to our future? We should know. Should we have tens of thousands of little nuclear atomic hydrogen generators generating another deadly isotope for release into the environment across the planet? Hydrogen, deuterium, tritium. Two of the three may be some of the deadliest substances we know. We should know. Peace is out. Keep on.